Hello and welcome to the Real-World Node.js Projects course by Pack Publishing. We are your instructors and we are going to use our experience with JavaScript, Node.js, and all the tools surrounding those technologies to help you build small sample projects that can assist you in solidifying your knowledge of server-side JavaScript as fast as possible. Let's begin with an overview of the course material. We will begin the course with a simple Express.js voting application. After that, we will use Socket.io to build an application that supports the WebSockets protocol. Moving on, we will integrate Node.js with Amazon's storage service. In the fourth section, we will create a server-side e-commerce API that will be consumed by the final section's React application. The course goals are to get you up to speed fast, so we're going to focus on code in order to build short applications that respond to real-life challenges faced by Node.js developers. We will utilize EJS and Socket.io, integrate with Amazon Web Services S3 for storage, and much more. By the end of this course, you will know how to connect to MongoDB and consume a Node.js RESTful API from a React frontend application. Before you begin this course, you need to make sure that you have at least some experience with programming in JavaScript and/or other languages. You should know how a RESTful API works and the basics of databases, either relational or NoSQL. Finally, some basic knowledge of Node.js will be useful, especially the theoretical parts. By accumulating the knowledge found in this course, you will be able to keep your skills up to date in the competitive job market and stay relevant with the rapid changes in the tech world. Enough with introductions though, let's get started with the first section.